In this video, we'll learn how to pull a proper vacuum on an air conditioning unit using a manifold gauge. But before we start, let's first understand why vacuuming is necessary. This process is required whenever you install a new AC system or after carrying out any service or repair on the indoor unit. The goal of vacuuming is to eliminate air, moisture, and non-condensable gases from the coil. These unwanted gases can seriously impact the AC's cooling efficiency, which is why removing them is a crucial step. Vacuuming also helps reveal if there's any leakage in the system. Now, let's go through the steps of how to properly vacuum an AC unit. You'll need two main tools for this task: a vacuum pump and a manifold gauge. When setting up a new unit, the refrigerant is usually pumped down and held inside the outdoor condenser. Similarly, when servicing the indoor unit, the refrigerant is also stored safely in the outdoor section. Once that's done, you can begin the vacuum process. As always, start by putting on your required safety gear. Make sure the power supply to the system is completely turned off before beginning any work. Next, connect the yellow hose from the manifold gauge to the vacuum pump and the blue, low-pressure hose to the unit's suction line. In this procedure, we'll only use the low-pressure side. The high-pressure gauge won't be needed. After both hoses are properly attached, turn on the vacuum pump and open the gauge valve. The pump will start drawing out all trapped air and non-condensable gases from the evaporator and coil. As the air is pulled out, the pressure reading on the gauge will steadily drop. Continue vacuuming for about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, the pressure should reach close to -30 psi. After about 20 minutes, close the valve on the manifold and switch off the vacuum pump. Wait for a few minutes and watch the gauge to see if the pressure rises. If there's a leak anywhere in the system, air will seep back in, causing the pressure to climb. Small leaks may take longer to show a pressure increase, so the longer you monitor it, the more accurate your check will be. If the gauge reading stays steady, that means the system is leak-free. Once you've confirmed no leaks, use an Allen key to open the suction line valve. After that, fully open the discharge line valve as well. This allows the refrigerant that was stored in the outdoor unit to flow through the indoor coil completely. Finally, disconnect the manifold gauge set from the unit and turn the system back on. That's the complete procedure for vacuuming an air conditioning system. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and share it with others who may find it useful. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Intact Knowledge. Thank you for watching.